Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here, and today I'm sharing the unboxing for the very first rubber stamp and embellishment kit from Skull and Cross Buns, which is called Spring Friends, and as you can guess from the name, is a spring themed kit. This is how the box will come. It has a little sticker on the side that shows you what it is. Your goodies will be inside wrapped in tissue paper, and there's also a little sticker on the inside of the lid that tells you a little bit more about the kit. So I'll just move the box out the way. This is a quick look at all the goodies, and then I'll go through and show you what there is. You'll get 5 card bases. These are A6 size, which is European size. So if you're used to American A2 size, these are very slightly taller and narrower if I recall correctly. You'll get these in lemon yellow, a kind of reddy orange colour, pink, a brighter yellow, and then also a green. In addition to the card bases, you will get 5 envelopes which are perfectly sized to coordinate with these. These are all white envelopes. They have a rounded triangle flap and they are self-adhesive. Then you will get 6 exclusive A6 patterned papers. So these fit your card fronts approximately. 3 of these are kind of bright colours and 3 are more pastel colours. So the first 3 are, there's one with icons like chicks and bunnies kind of in a random pattern across the page. There's one with diagonal stripes and one with polka dots. And then in the more pastel ones we have chevrons, as well as another one with icons, but these are more linear rather than being random like the bright one was. And then one with little solid Easter eggs. There's also a stencil in this kit, which is an A6 size stencil, so perfectly matching the size of your cards, and this is the falling egg stencil. The newly released stamp set that is in this kit is the Spring Friends stamp set, which has a variety of spring images and sentiments. There's some rabbits, some chicks, some eggs, a little sheep, and a nest, and various accompanying sentiments there. You'll get 2 of the jumbo acrylic embellishments, and these might not be the same in every kit. I think each one will have one of the eggs and one of either a chick or a bunny rabbit, so they might vary from kit to kit. Additionally, you will get a little pack of smaller acrylic embellishments, mini embellishments. This is an assorted pack which again can have eggs, chicks, bunny rabbits, even smaller eggs, and some little flowers. There is a spool of twine, and this is neon twine. You'll get 3 meters of this, and it's kind of variegated colour. And the wooden spool itself could be perfect for using on a project once you've used all the twine as well. You'll get a mini cube of VersaFine Onyx black ink, which is a very good black ink and ideal for heat embossing with if you want to do that. So that's everything from the kit. There are also 3 other stamp sets in the new release, 2 of which coordinate with this kit really well. There's the Spring Motifs stamp set, which has lots of little imagery which would be perfect for planners, for example. There's a little bunny, an egg, a hot cross bun, a cross, flags, some flowers, all sorts of little things like that. There is the Spring Sentiments clear stamp set, which has, of course, lots of spring themed sentiments, so you can kind of build your own, and it does have mum and mum, so it works for if you use the American spelling or the British spelling. Then the other stamp set in the release is the Crafting is My Superpower stamp set, which has a variety of crafting related imagery and sentiments. There's little scissors and an ink pad and so on. And you can buy all 4 stamp sets actually as a bundle, the release bundle, and save 25% on that. And I will have links to the release and the kit down below. And there's also a coupon code down below if you would like to save more on your order. If you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you could press the thumbs up button and let me know. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you like most about this kit. If you are not yet a subscriber, you can press the subscribe button that's on screen now, and then you will be able to see when I post my video showing the cards I have made from this kit. I'm planning to make 5 cards with this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!